Hi everyone. In these short videos, I would like to explain you about my fun projects with the Python and also with the PictoBlox. So in this Python project, I would like to show you how basic data analysis using the Pandas library, and we will create a simple data set by creating it as student scores. Yeah, we will show you how student scores and names also um, will use as an basic analyze with the pandas. So it will super useful if you are starting basic with data science and just want to get familiar with the real data handlings. So here the code I would like to share you before, and here is this one. Yeah, we'd like to show you. This is the Python's notebook. Okay, the different one with the before. Yeah, the program before. So in this program, I create this. I import the pandas. Yeah, for the library to analyze, to make a data frames. So I would like to make a small dictionary that contain the student names and also their scores. And then I would like to turn the dictionary into the data frame, and it's look like tables, and it's easier work with the pandas. And after that, in the second ones, I would like to displaying the data. Yeah, in data frames in after using the importing the pandas. I would like to list, yeah, the student names and scores, yeah, and save it as a dictionary, and I would like to change the dictionary into the data frames. After that, I would like to displaying, yeah, the data, and you'll see a clean one, yeah, the table display with the basic one, yeah, by basic statistic, yeah, that was a mean score, and I would like to show you how uh, maximum scores that the student have. Yeah, after that I would like to print, yeah, the basic statistic, and also the mean score, yeah, or average score, and also the top score one at the class. These are the kinds of insight you can quickly pull, yeah, even the data small set. So in the summary one, I have create and display a data set, a small data set, and to calculate the average or mean, and also show you the top score one at the class, yeah, the maximum scores, and also get the comfortable with the real case in data analysis, and just a few lines of code. I hope it uh, use useful, helpful for you, and make it more like easier to learn. And thanks for watching. I would like to see you in the next one. Thank you.